Hey guys, my name is Lewis. I have a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, and I got a full Alu-Cab canopy camper setup, including interior goose gear, fridge, solar panels, fireplace. Why I chose Tiny Rig? I've been watching Tiny Rig's videos since, I don't know, I think it was late 2020 during COVID. I'd been at that point started to plan for a whole rig. I didn't have the truck then, obviously. And the more and more videos I saw, and the more and more it looked like quality of work. Again, I'd never visited the shop. It just seemed like from a Tacoma specific build out, the Tiny Rig was the shop that I should be looking at. And finally bought the truck in June of this year, in 2024, or last year, 2024. Once I got it, I reached out to Daniel and Noah, and we started kind of doing build out sheets and going through that about a few times to make sure we had got everything. And I'll say this, when I first came through the shop, the quality I saw was actually much better than even is what's posted on YouTube or what you can see. You can't even imagine the quality of work that is actually done to these things until you actually see it and you're in the shop. So exceeded my expectation. The process was really, really clean. I know doing quality work from my line of business takes time. But a month later I had the truck, and that was in early October. And since then I've already been out 3 times. Whereas I'm out maybe twice a year. So this is making it very comfortable for me to go out and with my family, and it's been great. It's been a great experience. They've been very receptive to all my questions and ideas, and it's been great working with them and building out the truck and having a great time with it.